everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be hiding threads or yarn ends, whatever you want to call them. So first you're going to turn your item inside out. Now this is a chair sock. I'll put a link in the description for my tutorial how to make chair socks. And if you don't know what a chair sock is or a furniture boot, it's just a little covering you put on the foot of your chair so it doesn't scrape your floors. They're not meant to be a permanent solution, but they are a quick and easy solution. And then you just make them whenever you need a new one. So anyway, I'll put a link for that in the description. And this is what I do for hiding threads. First of all, I use a crafting needle. The difference between a yarn needle and a crafting needle is that the tip of it is pokey. And I like that. Then you want to turn your item inside out so that you have the right sides facing together and the wrong side is facing you. Now I'm going to put my fingers in so that I know that I'm not poking through to the front of the item. I just want to pick up these back loops. Now I know that this is a very dark item to be working on, but I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing. So I'm picking up just the back loops and I'm putting my needle through. Okay, and then I'll pull it. You want to make sure you don't distort the stitches. So you see if I pull really tight, you see how I get this indent there? All I would do is back that off so that you don't have that. Then you see how my working yarn is coming out here? I'm going to go just a bit behind it and then past it. So my working yarn's coming here. I've gone in behind it and I'm working past it. And this is called a back stitch. And that will anchor your yarn so that you don't have to do knots. So now we'll do that again. I'm going a bit behind it. Fingers at the front so I'm not poking through. I'm just picking up the back loops. And then I'm going past my working yarn. My working yarn is coming out here. I'm going past it and pull through. We're going to do this a few times until you run out of yarn, or at least 3. Then you're going to cut your yarn and your yarn is securely in there because we did those back stitches. And you don't have any bumps or anything like that because you didn't have to do any knots. So check out my description. I put all kinds of great things in my description. And yeah, have a great day. Bye now.